day, man.
I'm on my way straight to the top, you know I gotta have it. Put in work, yeah, I love the grind, you know I gotta have it. She want a dick every day a week, she thinks she gotta have it. I fell in love with
What's going on, hooligans? It's your boy Quan back with another, today is a good day. Today is a beautiful day, man. It's 9 o'clock in the morning, sun's out, no rain. It's been raining like crazy for the last couple of days. So, no rain, nothing. Just a beautiful day, man. Beautiful Friday. But yeah, today is a good day. I'm on the way to the Muffler shop to get the X-pipe done. Sooner or later, I might change my tips. I don't know. Probably, I don't know. I haven't really decided yet, but I know today we're going to get that X-pipe. So, Mike was supposed to be with me, but he was on some, I don't want to sleep in, some stuff, so, so I let him be. Because I think it's going to take around, for him to do, maybe like an hour or so. I won't really try to wait that long, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm trying to bring you guys great content. So that's what we're doing today, man. More content coming soon, as you know. We got a lot of different things that we're gonna do for y'all. Just giving different ideas and stuff. As far as content what we can bring to y'all. So stay tuned. But I'll hit y'all back when we get to the Muffler shop, man. Yes, sir. Alright, so I done got to the Muffler shop, California Muffler, shout out. If you're ever in North Carolina, come pay him a visit. But he'll open to 9:30, so I done got here a little early. But it's always best to be the first one, that way you can get in, get out. It's like around, I think it's like 9:15, so we got a 15-minute wait. Motivational session right now, bro. Listen, in life, bro, you go through struggles, and some people go through worse struggles than others. Just like, bro, I didn't live the struggle, bro, like bad, so I just feel where I'm at now in life, bro, I done made it, because how life used to be, bro, compared to this, bro, I feel like I'm rich already, but still got more work to do. I ain't all the way where I want to be at, or we as a whole as hooligans, but my message to people, bro, just stay on your grind. Don't let nobody stop you, because the only person that can really stop you is you if you listen to people telling you can't do nothing, this, and that. Like, I done heard that throughout my whole life. Like, you can't do this, you're gonna be this and that, da. Or you don't go to college, this, and that, you ain't gonna be nothing. Like, I know so many people that's rich and didn't even go to college, like, you know what I'm saying? Don't get me wrong, you get an education, you get a good job, this, like, you gonna make some bread, but nah, bro. Like, we all working a 9 to 5 right now, and we, we all ain't trying to do that for the rest of our lives. Now, that's nothing against people who been doing it, their whole life, because, my father and mother been doing that, working 9 to 5, but they're at the point in their lives right now where they done save some money, they gonna be good to the day they leave this world. But me as an individual, I feel, I'm not trying to work a 9 to 5 for the rest of my life. I'm not trying to answer to nobody for the rest of my life. Like, I want to be my own boss type shit, like, but just gotta keep grinding. Don't let nobody stop you. You just do you. Push all the negatives out your life, whereas people, anything negative, just get it out your life. And surround yourself with positive people who's actually trying to, be successful like you. Because that's what I've been doing. Like, I ain't no negative people in my life. I need people who's gonna support, motivate, all that. But yeah. Dang, man, 15 minutes feel long, I ain't gonna lie. But it's worth it, bro. He do good work. I think he did my tips. He did my straight pipe, So, like I said, if you're ever in North Carolina, Come to California Muffler, man. Yes, sir. All right, well, so he done finally got here. We still waiting, though. I let a dude go in front of me who was just getting a straight pipe because, I mean, it ain't gonna take that long to do that. So, plus I know him anyway. So, yeah, we still waiting. So stay tuned. It's gonna be on pretty soon. Man, I don't know if y'all can see that right there. I'm gonna get a better look at it when they pull out. The thing right there, nice though. Crank this thing up. Oh yeah, that sounds good right there. Yeah. That thing clean right there. Perfect right there. That's perfect right there.
That's perfect. Dude, I can't believe you tried to make me not do that.
Yep, that sounds perfect. Hooligans, a true blessing just happened in my life just a minute ago. As y'all know, a homeboy who just got the 2020 Camaro, his father was at the Muffler shop getting his Corvette straight pipe. His dad is a good man, true motivator. He tries to look out for young African men like myself, but this man literally just paid for my installation just because I told him what I'm trying to do in life. So he went on to pay for my installation. That is what you call a true blessing right there, because he didn't have to do that. He did not have to do that. And I told him countless times, like, bro, you don't have to do that. So, but you know, this is how when you be good to people, they're gonna be good to you. Cause I was here before him, he got here after me, we started talking, and I told him he can go in front of me because he was only getting his car straight pipe. So just for me doing that, he paid $200 for his and mine just to get done. That's what you call a true blessing right there. That's how you know you should be good to people. That way God will give you something in return. And that's a blessing. You give blessings, you get blessings. But yeah, that was almost an emotional moment for me. So just remember, always motivate, support people in anything they're trying to do, because you'll get blessings out of it too. All right, so he finally got my car ran up in the air. Finna see what he's talking about. Been here for about 2 hours now, but hopefully it's worth it. Bringing it down now.
Oh, sí.
I'm liking that right there. Yes. Alright, hooligans, so it's done. Finna see what this thing talking about. Oh yeah, I'm liking this right here. that even happened? What was y'all doing? So I got the H pipe instead. So when he finally got in, I talked to him. He said that the H pipe would be better, especially it'd be easier for him to make because I didn't buy it. Like I didn't order the H pipe, like he would have to make it. So he said the H pipe would be better. So I went on and did that. It's going crazy. Like I'm pretty sure it really ain't no difference. But I just wanted the H pipe because he said it was easier for him to make. And it would be just the same, like, so, alright, it was worth it. It was worth it, as y'all can tell, but again, bro, going back to earlier, for that man to pay for my installation, that was a true blessing right there. He didn't have to do that. He did it off because I know his son, they some good people now, they definitely some good people. He didn't have to do that, but he did it to give me a blessing. So you gotta give to get, like I said, to receive. Give to receive. So you know, just in life, give to people and God will give you a blessing in return, man. Because I truly got one today. That was $200 that I saved just for that man doing that for me. So shout out to him, shout out to Ronnie. Your dad's a good person, man. So, like I said, bro, in life, people go through a struggle. So when they get out of a struggle, some people will help people that's still in need, and some will be selfish and bougie and not even care about it. So that was nice of that dude to do that for me. Very appreciated, man. And again, bro, like I said, bro, don't ever let nobody stop you and tell you can't do something. Like I said, the only person who's gonna stop you from doing something that you really want to is you. So, you know, if you really motivated about something, you really want to do something, right? Chase your dreams, go do it, work for it, grind for it. Because, like I said, the only person that can stop you is you. If you listen to people telling you can't do it, so surround yourself with positive people, not negative people. No negative energy, just straight positive energy, good vibes and all. But yeah, I think I'm go ahead and end this video, man. It's been another with your boy, aka also fellow hooligan of the Hemi Hooligans. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow the Instagrams, will be in the descriptions. If you want to join the car club, DM us on Instagram. Bro, my camera keep falling, bro. Like all these bumps, bro. Terrible roads, but DM us on Instagram if you want to join the car club. It'll be down below. I'm grinding, big grinding, little mama, I'm shining. How you gon' eat if you don't put the time and stay humble? Young nigga, got see you been striving. Streets ain't the same, the pole while I'm driving. I want a house overseas on the island. Throw granny ratchets and keep a face smiling. Live up your life every day, people dying, cause you never know when your last time is arriving, nigga.